Hey everyone, what's up? This is Valor on the channel. Today I'll show you how to download and install DirectX 12 on Windows 10 and 11. Open your browser and type in DirectX 12. There we go. And as you can see, we have the option to download it here. We'll need the Microsoft one. We go here and select Install on Windows 11 or Windows 10. There. And we need to type this into the search bar. Right? And launch the DirectX diagnostic tool. There. And we can see what system we have installed. And the installation begins. There. Click Yes. There. You can also run the diagnostics tool, which will give you useful information. There. Also, you can check Windows updates, which can deliver DirectX updates. Go to Updates and Update. You can also get DirectX via the web installer. Yes, let's go. Click on the first link and hit Download. Open the file and click Next, Next, and install it. That's all there is to it. This was Valor. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you later. Oh, restart your PC.